if you want to use text-to-speech on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, then first of all you will have to start by opening Settings and now scroll all the way down into the Accessibility. Right now you will have to go for Select to Speak. Now click on this icon to turn it on, just like this. Click that, we got it. And now if you want to if you want to get something to read aloud, click on this icon. Now click and hold on the text and simply select. And now release.
Tap specific items on your screen to hear them read or described aloud.
Yeah, just like this. I'm gonna put it a little bit, I'm gonna turn the volume a little bit. And one more time, click on the icon, click and hold and drag and release.
How to use select to speak. Start select to speak, then you can. Tap
Yeah.
specific item.
You can pause by clicking here, you can expand, you can go back, you can go forward, and by going here to the settings, you can also find some other things like read in the background, read text on images, and you can change reading voice over here, and you can also change speech rate, pitch. Here you can.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Yeah, that's the short description. You can also change its language if you want, and you can change preferred engine.